Welcome to a quick garden walk with Hag. Yellow iris. We've got some really cool peach colored blooms on the rose. That looks a little worse for wear, actually. Not too god awful bad though. And then the pinks are really popping out of the tree way up there. Way up there. And then of course everything down here, plenty more. Look at that. So pretty. The smell out here is delicious. Absolutely delicious. And we're going to take a quick walk, and we've got some little escapees out front. I need to go get the mail, but I'm more concerned with my escapee goats that are slipping through the fence. So we're going to try and take a little walk out there and see if we can't find out how far they're getting and where exactly they're coming through. So these are the native roses, and again, they smell gorgeous. They're just single whites. They don't last very long, but they smell really nice. Oh, this one might be a very light pink in front there. Not sure exactly. I have come out here and cut down some of the poison ivy and fed it to Mr. Pinner. There's another one of those roses trailing off into the grass. They grow quite fast. The smoke tree, of course. And it's very hot out here. We'll take a look at our raspberries as we come through the other way. Oh, look at that, mulberries. Look at the mulberries. There are mulberries on a lot of these trees out here. Pretty soon we'll be collecting those. The mulberries may be right before the raspberries, or they could actually come in around the same time this year. It looks a little bizarre time-wise. The weather's a little different. Seems to be a little different every year. Okay, I see we have some pink roses by the mailbox, but I can hear little goats crashing through the underbrush out here, which tells me they're escaping through the first fence and coming through to eat. I'm not really happy with that because I don't want to lose any goats on the road. These were pretty at one time. They're getting a little... Oh, look at that. This is... Yeah, this is... I gotta come out here and cut some of this stuff. We have some obvious poison ivy growing around the mailbox here. Alright, let's see. Did they go in? Actually, you can see where they've eaten. Look at this. Hey! Go on! Get home! See them? Little fuckers. Go on! Get home! Go on! Damn it. See? They don't listen either. They're not like little puppies. I'm worried about them slipping through this fence back here and getting out onto the road, which would not make me very happy. Go on! Come on, get home! Go on! Yeah, we have a couple little patch areas we have to seal up so I don't have my goats all over the road. Oh, if it's not one thing, it's something else with these little guys. Yeah, they're under the brush, in the brush over there eating, and I'm gonna have to do something about that. Okay, well, we did see the yellow one when it was in bloom. It has since faded and the petals have fallen. Okay, here's this, this is the gorgeous one. Looks a little bedraggled in the heat, but the petals on this are just, they're so pretty. They go from a white to a light pink. They start out with like a, they're just, they change color. They're just, it's a gorgeous shrub. And then of course we have the honeysuckle over here. The orange and red and yellow over there. And more trash on the road. Why do people do this? What? Why would you just dump your drink like that? I don't get it. Alright, so it's looking like I'm going to have to come in through the other way with gloves, some fencing pliers, and some chicken wire, and we're going to have to, go on, get out of there! Yeah, I can hear them crashing through there. The little guys. They're still slipping their little bellies through the fence. Not liking it. Go home! Usually I can get most of them to go back by clapping my hands, but right now, just wanted to make sure that I could get to them and, you know. Okay, get the mail. Isn't very much there. Looks like we have some ants in the mailbox. Lovely! Ants in the mailbox. Okay. It's always something, right? Okay. Well, you can definitely see how far the goats have gotten in, which means time to do some patchwork. Somebody slid off the road. Oops. I don't know how you do that. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's a little warm out here. It is a beautiful day though. Aside from it being hot. It is a gorgeous day. Look at this. There's the fruit of the raspberries getting ready. So, won't be too much longer and they'll start turning purple. And we'll be out here to collect them. Yeah, look at it. Look at this. All the stuff on the side of the road has decided to curl up in the heat. And, you know, whew, man, I am winded. Some of my signs are turned a little. Looks like this one could use to come out a little bit toward the road. Or I could cut down some of the stuff in front of it. We'll have to cut some of it. Here are the native roses, just panicles of white, small, single blossoms. Very pretty. The smell is wonderful. And I'll walk over here and see if my red rose is coming up blossoms. Because when this does, it's very beautiful. Have to walk back here and see what we have. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we had to come out here and get some fencing off the ground. We had some twisted fencing that was not good in the way of the goats. And I don't like to see my goats, you know, hurt by anything. So, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, I gotta, looks like do some, get that off of there, okay. And it looks like we have some other branches that are in the way here from this tree. And there we go. Oh, okay. There we go. Some of this needs to obviously be cut back. It looks like it's got some dead limbs on it. But, oh, let's see, look at that. We've got double reds here. It's a pretty rose. I forget the name of it. I think it's part of the Color Blend series, but I'm not real sure. What I do know is that, oh, here's our little boneyard. Those are all the bones that old guy collects and then finds new homes for, I guess you might say. Let's see if I can get out of here without killing myself. There we go. Okay. Everything smells really nice out here. The rose and the honeysuckle and whatever else is in bloom out here really smell nice. Okay, let's go back toward the greenhouse here and see what we got going on, shall we? Let's go do that. Okay. Oh, look at this. There's Quadra. This is not much on Quadra, honestly. Not much, but of the two blooms here, they're both very deep red, very beautiful. This is a different kind of shrub next to it. Again, a beautiful, beautiful red. Seems to be fading a little in color. And obviously the roses are a lot more red, but still pretty. And looks like we can water some of this other stuff here. So, looks like these are Australian peas, I think the old guy's got going. And I'm not sure what some of this is. Maybe some sunflowers or something, I'm not sure. And then I've got some stuff started. I've got some squash coming up, it looks like. And nothing else yet. Looks like the pole beans aren't coming up. I may have to find some more seed and see what I can do with all that. Okay, so thanks for joining me for a quick walk around the garden, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Spread it around. The world needs more of it. We will talk to you guys later. Thank you.